So I got my certificate of training with Althea, and this has been a marvelous experience. I have just come out of other trainings before where, the training was good, but this experience was very interactive, very hands-on. Althea really takes her time to answer all the questions and breaks down the material, and you don't feel rushed.
And I just took the meditation instructor certification. Althea is amazing. She's hands-on, she's open, she's non-judgmental, and she just makes you feel welcome, to just be in the space and just learn and just get all that you need to be the best that you can be.
I just completed meditation instructor certification with Althea, and it was a fantastic experience. I have taken other certification programs in other modalities, and this was top-notch. It was professional, it was thorough, and I thoroughly enjoyed Althea as an instructor. I would absolutely recommend this training to anyone.
Here's where Miss Althea took me today.
She cares about you and how can you get better to do your best for the people you're going to help.
I came here really not knowing what to expect, and I left just humble, honored, just all of that. This changed my life.